Introducing the all-new EW835 washer and ED880 vented dryer from Equator Appliances. This laundry set includes all the top features to simplify your laundry routine. Choose from Sanitize, Allergen, Heavy, Delicate, Winterize, and more. Get access to more than 7 wash options. The EW835's antibacterial drum baffle and the self-clean wash options eliminate germ buildup. Choose from a variety of drying cycles, including normal, Sanitize, sensor dry, and more. Get fresh clothes every time with a wrinkle guard and refresh function. See clearly inside the ED880 dryer with built-in LED lights. And use the special shoe cycle to safely dry your footwear. Its reversible door opens from both sides for ultimate convenience. This 220 volts vented sensor dryer plugs into any standard 3 or 4 prong electric outlet. These power cords can be purchased separately. The washer measures 33.5 by 23.5 by 24.8 inches, and the dryer measures 33.5 by 23.6 by 25.2 inches. Have peace of mind with built-in diagnostics and a 1-year free warranty. Upgrade your laundry routine with Equator's washer and dryer set today.